guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be doing a bit of a sublimation experiment. But first, let me just show you my new logo for my apparel. This is my Instagram for my Teespring store, DIY Ninja Designs. So make sure to check it out. Anyways, today I'm going to be trying to print this on a 50% cotton, 50% polyester gray t-shirt. It's kind of like a darker gray, medium gray maybe. I ordered like a sports gray, but it came out darker in person. So I'll show you that t-shirt in a minute. But I've never actually sublimated on a 50-50 polyester count, so we'll see how that turns out. I'm also going to do a wash test, so make sure you stay tuned to the end for that. Right now I'm just going to prep my supplies. This is my pressing mat. I'm actually going to wrap a piece of butcher paper around it, and using my heat tape, I'm just taping it to the back so that it stays in place. And then I'm going to slip this in between the layers of my t-shirt. So there we go. There's my mat. And let's get the t-shirt ready. Okay, so here's the shirt I was talking about. It's like kind of like an asphalt gray. So yeah, it's pretty dark. I'm really not sure if this print will even show up on here, but we'll give it a try. I put my pressing mat covered in butcher paper on the inside of the shirt already. And our next step is to take a lint roller and just go over the surface to make sure there are no microscopic lint fibers in here that will ruin the print, because I don't know if it matters on a dark surface, but I think it might, just in case. You don't want blue squiggly streaks permanently embedded in your design.
I want to play color book.
And again, that's my son.
I want to play color book.
Okay, you have to be patient and wait, honey.
We want the book.
Alright, I'm just going to try to space out my design here as evenly as I can. And again, I'm lining up the bottom of my mat to the edge of my table. So that's a little trick if you don't have a professional heat press, just to make sure everything's straight. And I have my Cricut Easy Press here. I'm going to just preheat the surface. I think I'll do it this way for about 5 seconds. And just moving it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You want it big? You want it back?
Hold on, baby. Just
You
any extra moisture that may occur. And then I like to just let that cool off a little bit, because my Cricut Easy Press is set to 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and you don't really need 400 degrees to preheat your substrate, but I don't want it to activate the ink while I'm positioning the transfer, so I'm just going to let it cool a little bit. And I believe that's straight. Then, like I always do, fold my transfer in half to find the middle, and I pinch just the top where the graphic doesn't reach. So I see I have like a 2-finger space on the top of my transfer. You can either trim it down if you want to be more exact, or just keep that in mind. So right now I have about 2 fingers here. So that actually works if I put it to the edge of my mat, because the image won't start until here. So that's about like 4 fingers down. Then I'm just going to center it by feel. Here's my tag, here's my crease. over there. And let's just move it a little bit. 3 fingers on each side. Is this the center? Yeah, it's pretty centered.
And we want to put color box here.
Alright, hold
You want
on.
the box?
And that looks right.
And then the blue on the box.
Then I'm gonna take my heat
The
tape
blue on the box.
and just tape down the corners. There you go. Tape it down. Remember to only put the heat tape where there's no, where your image is not, because it will affect the transfer if you put it on top. So if I put heat tape here, it probably would affect the transfer, so don't do that. I think that's pretty good. Alright, this video is going to be a quick one. Okay, taking another clean piece of butcher paper, I'm going to just line it up to the edge of my mat. That way I know where to put my easy press. I'm going to take my press, and I'm just going to stick it on here. And start the timer. And push down. I'm going to put my whole body weight on here, just so I can make sure it really pushes in. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and when the timer's up, we'll be right back. Hey guys, here's the finished shirt on my model chair. My chair always models my finished work. Anyways, you know what? I like it. It just kind of looks like, since the print was majority black, that's all it looks like black on a gray shirt. And like this emblem part in the back was gray, so it's just gray on gray. I don't see a difference. But, I mean, let's take a look. Hold on, baby.
Trying to go in pop.
Hold on. He's like climbing all over me. Alright, baby. Anyways, yeah, it turned out pretty well. Let's take a look at what it looks like when it washes out. But I think next time I'll try to print like a really colorful pattern on here and see what that looks like, what the colors look like on this dark gray shirt. But I mean, it turned out cute. It turned out really nice. It's just not bright, but I mean the black is very predominant, so I guess that worked out really well. Well, I guess you can kind of see the blend. There's a slight fade texture. Sorry for the shaky footage. I'm trying to squat and maintain my balance while I have a little monkey clinging onto my back and climbing all over me. Okay. But yeah, I mean, I like it. Okay. Next, I'll show you what it looks like after it's washed. Okay guys, this is what the shirt looks like after a wash. It definitely faded a lot, but it still looks good. It's kind of like a really cool vintage vibe. So it's not as vibrant, not as pigmented, but what do you expect from just a 50-50 shirt? I mean, I think it still looks like a really cool print. And 50-50 shirts are like half the price of 100% polyester shirts, so it definitely is worth it. And also a lot of companies are selling these like vintage retro wash vibe shirts for the same price or even more than full polyester. So yeah, I definitely think it works. If this is the look you're going for, if you're looking for like a fresh printed look, then definitely go for a higher polyester count. But yep, I'm definitely going to wear this, and this was a cool experiment. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and ring that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!